Hi, my name is Woodcutter Robot. I'm a forest management robot. I can climb trees because I am designed to have light weight, and I can even run in rough terrains in the mountains. These are few examples of the abilities that I have. I can cut trees, I can climb up rough terrains to cut down trees, and I can also climb up trees. Impressive, right? Have you heard of the Sustainable Development Goals? There are 17 goals that are shared globally to be achieved by year 2030. Well, my abilities are related to the goal number 15, life on land, because I can help protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests and combat desertification as stated by the UN. But in what ways exactly can I contribute to the SDGs? For example, in Indonesia, according to the data obtained in 2020, 64% of land is considered to be a forest area or land underplanted or natural stand of trees of at least 5 meters in situ. This forest area is managed based on its three functions: production forest, protection forest and conservation forest. From these, protection forest plays an important role in protecting environment. Blessed with tropical climate, Indonesia has an extremely high level of biodiversity, though in recent years, deforestation has become a threat to its biodiversity. This is mainly due to the pressure placed on forested land by economic activities, with biofuels being one of them. Biofuel being considered as alternative to fossil fuels, Indonesia is considered as the third largest producer of biofuel using palm oil. While some people say that the growing of palm trees for using them as biofuels are good for the environment as it absorbs carbon dioxide when the crops grow, recently, some others have emphasized the fact that palm tree oil shall not be considered as renewable energy because palm trees causes deforestation. Because of the controversial issues regarding the use of palm tree, some others have suggested agroforestry as a solution to the existent problems. Agroforestry refers to the practice of growing trees, shrubs, herbs and vegetables together that mimics a forest in order to decrease emission of CO2 while feeding people and maintaining biodiversity. By using agroforestry, soil is stabilized by tree roots, leaves and branch, reduces soil erosion, and enriches soil for further productivity. Though agroforestry seems as a good solution, it has its advantages and disadvantages, with management being one of the disadvantages. That is where I come in. I can help manage the forest until it gets on track. So when actually implementing me, how would the business model work? One possible way is to use carbon credits, which is a permit that represents 1 ton of carbon dioxide was removed from the atmosphere, that is worth $55 per ton. In case of using the carbon credits, and say you are a farmer that plants trees, the landowner can get money from those carbon credits, the corporation that uses the land for profit will pay to offset carbon dioxide emissions, and a middleman, if applicable, can earn profit along the way through selling and buying of those carbon credits. And I come in protecting and maintaining the forest so the carbon emission does not exceed the expected amount. Thank you for your attention and your interest. Contact us if you have any further questions.